Hi. Today we're going to tell you about 3 errors in your PPC ad campaigns. If you work for a digital marketing agency, it's crucial to recognize errors so you can prevent yourself from committing the same errors. Here are some common mistakes to watch out for during a PPC ad campaign. Let's get started. Not targeting and bidding properly. A vital part of a PPC strategy is specificity about your campaign's audience. Just because you had the best fit previously doesn't mean future results will be the same. Plan out your targeting and check if you're optimizing your audience. Don't put in values and let your ads work in the background. Monitor your campaign to see if the initial results progress. Not using the right keywords. Focusing on broad keywords is expensive since you have a lot of competition for these. Target long-tail keywords instead so you can improve your results. Don't forget about negative keywords as well, they can affect your campaign results. Not being clear with your messaging. You should not write your PPC ads for tricking people into clicking something that is not suited to their interests. Create sequences to bring value. It's the only way for you to have sustainable growth from your online materials. Avoid common PPC mistakes by optimizing your strategy to the target audience's needs. Do not assume anything about your target market, pay attention to your goals, adjust the audience, and apply these nuances to your bidding and copy. Preparing and understanding your PPC strategy and adjusting it based on the circumstances is the best way to ensure success. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.